Okay, so trigonometry identities. Okay, so I'm sure that this is nothing new for you. I'm sure you have familiar with this because you have learned this from the time you're in Form 4 or Form 5. So you can see that basically we will have the Pythagoras to be done. Okay, so let us do it one by one. Okay, so from your I just go through first before I go to your formula. I mean in your appendix. Okay, now identity you got one. Okay, so from the one you can get another two more. Okay, so just share with you how does the things come in. So I already highlight here as well. Okay, if you divide by cos, so you have this. If you divide by sine, you have this. Okay, now let me share with you how does things come in. So you just need to remember this one: sine square plus cos square equal to 1. But basically you no need to remember as well. Why? Because things are already given to you. The questions are also provided to you. Okay, let's say that this one you just turn to your any past years. Okay, so actually the formulas is already provided to you. See, the first one, okay, is already provided to you. You actually no need to remember. Okay, you just need to identify and use it. Okay, but they have one thing that I want to share with you is, okay, so actually the identity is already given, the first one, and the equation 7. Okay, but they have one more that is missing here. Okay, there's one more that is missing here, that is the third one. Okay, so I just want to share with you as a whole. Okay, so if you divide by sine square, okay, you can see sine divided by sine you have 1, cos divided by sine you have cot. Okay, then 1 divided by sine you have cosine. See, not just simple like that. Okay, if let's say you divide with cos, so sine divided by cos you have tangent, cos divided by cos you have 1, 1 divided by cos you have secant square. See that? Just like that. Okay, but as I mentioned just now, since this is given, okay, and also the third one has been given, so you just need to remember to divide with sine square, intends for you to get the second formula. See, you don't need to memorize it blindly. Okay, you just need to remember from the first identity that you have, you divide with sine square, then you're able to get the formula itself. Okay, because this one are using Pythagoras identities. Okay, so the simplify, the proof, and so on, you can do it by yourself later. Okay, so I just go through with the formula first. Okay, now this one you also no need to prove because formulas are given to you, okay, in your appendix 1. Okay, in your appendix 1. Okay, so like you see this one, okay, it's already given to you. What you need to do is you just need to modify. Okay, for example, this one if minus, so here will be minus. Okay, if you have plus, so here will be minus for cos A plus B. Okay, same goes with tangent. If you have plus, you will have minus here, then you will have you have plus here, you have minus on the bottom. Okay, you just modify only. Okay, so double angle is also given to you. Same thing with sine 2a. Okay, it's also given to you. Okay, so actually most of the things you no need to remember. You just apply it and use it later, or you can just modify it. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, this one I will not go further. Okay, you can try because answers are already provided to you. Okay, so double angle, as I said, is already given. Okay, now half angles formulas you can go through by yourself, but this will not be covered in your syllabus actually. Okay, I just want you to go further if you want. Okay, this is how you're supposed to get the things in. Okay, this is to simplify it. Okay, actually you need to know also. Okay, you want to study by yourself, it can be done, why not? Okay, so okay, now let us go for the past years one by one. Okay, so let us start with this. Okay, but before that, that's the part for the overall introductions. Okay, that you need to come across. Okay, but basically what I want to set is always have a habit to get into your formula list, then modify from here. So, okay, you see all the double angles are given to you. Okay, double angles, the identity, see not the trigonometries, identities, and so on. Because from equation 1, it have covered until equation 8. See not? So this everything is about trigonometry. Okay, so what you need to do is you just turn to the page, then you modify the respective things. Okay, and don't forget to add on one more. That is, yes, you need to divide with sine square, because divide with sine square, from here you were able to get 1 plus cotangent square, or this is using a, okay, equal to 1 over sine is cosec square. Okay, you just need to modify. So that's overall for the introduction on the trigo identities.